Design for excellence is a process that many organizations take on board, especially today. And it covers many factors, including manufacturability and cost. But sustainability is coming into the equation as well. Therefore, aPriori is going to provide us more insight through these simulations. So the same component here that's being simulated will provide guidance issues that are also more around design for excellence, more cost related and manufacturer related, which may not be problems for manufacturer, but have an impact on it. Like, for example, I've designed these blind holes into my component. They don't go through the component. And aPriori tells me that, well, it's fine, but there is an impact on the tooling. We're going to have fragile core pins in the tool, which could lead to yield problems, tool maintenance problems, may limit my ability to design multi-cavity components with sliders. It just creates complexity we really want to avoid. So in other words, if I made those through holes, life would be better. We also have issues around wall thickness as well in castings. So here it's telling me I've designed with some small walls in my casting, and there's tools in aPriori to show me where they all are. But basically, I've breached good manufacturability practice. And this will have an impact on the yield as well as the cycle time of this component. So all the way through the design process, it's pointing me towards things that I should or could consider in the design process. The other thing we can do from a design for excellence approach is think about absolutely everything. So I can run the same component through different processes like additive, machine, sand cast, and also compare different manufacturing approaches, high volume, low volume, different batch sizes, different manufacturing regions. In fact, we can create a matrix of costings that can look at all these possibilities that focus towards the ultimate goal of excellence, whatever the factors are need to be considered in our company. It does this very quickly, of course, and it would need to, because there are literally thousands of permutations that we could consider, and aPriori is going to process them because the digital twin helps us with that automation. But